Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago po kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga mensahe ni Aries. Kung ano mensahe po ninyo kay Priestess Aries, this is guidance para sa iyo na paparating. Kaya iniimbitahan kayo ng universe ngayon na mag-tune in kayo lagi sa iyong intuition dahil merong papasok na mga downloads, no, to guide you sa pang-araw-araw ninyo na pamumuhay. Maari din na ang iba sa inyo dito nananaginip din, no? And your dreams is also guidance yan din sa inyo ng universe. Kaya kapag naalala nyo pa, no, pagising ninyo the following morning, kapag naalala nyo pa ang mga elemento na nakita ninyo sa inyong panaginip, write them down po. At i-google ninyo, i-research ninyo kung ano ang ibig sabihin, no, ng mga elements na yan sa inyong panaginip. What else? We have temperance, and so this is about healing. This is about balance, Aries. Kaya maaaring merong mga dito, physical ailments or siguro mga burden, no? Emotional burden na nahihirapan na kayo, Aries. And wag kayong mag-alala, no? There will be healing energy na babalot sa inyo at this time. This is also about patience, kaya be patient, wag kayong magmadali sa kung ano man mga bagay-bagay dyan na gusto ninyong mag-come to fruition kasi let's always remember that everything happens in divine order and timing, diba? Kaya kailangan natin na magpasensya saan ba at dadating din yan kung yan ay para sa'yo, kung yan ay for your highest good, kung yan ay part of the divine plan, for sure, no, in divine timing, dadating at dadating yan. Okay? We have Hierophant. Ayan. So, siguro iba sa inyo dito focused on pag-aaral. Maaaring you are curious about something. Gusto ninyong matutunan, gusto ninyong madiskubre, yung mga ganon. Kaya, lang kayo, chill lang kayo, no? Chill lang kayo, sige, aralin ninyo, diskubrehin ninyo, yung mga ganon. You may need, though, you may need a teacher, mentor, life coach, baka along those, lines, no? Yung mga kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. Probably, meron mga spiritual guide or spiritual counselor kayong kakausapin around this time at maaring yun ang inyong kailangan sa ngayon, na makausap. Maybe you're going to seek for advice, maaring ganon. So we have 10 of Wands. Si 10 of Wands naman, this is ending and beginning energy, Aries. Kaya meron kayong mga mabigat talaga dito na dinadala, no? It's either emotional burden nga yan or baka physical, no? Baka lahat na lang ng trabaho sa bahay nasa balikat niyo, responsibilidad, obligasyon, everything is on you siguro. Kaya parang nahihirapan na kayo, it's taking a toll on you na siguro, kaya you're going to put an end to that. Okay? So tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap for Aries. We have traveling lightly. Ayan. So, there is a need for you to talaga declutter your life. Tama yan na meron na kayong ibababa kung ano man ang mabigat na yan. Hindi nyo na yan kaya all by yourself sa ngayon kasi punong-puno na kayo, pagod na kayo, burn out na kayo, yung ganon. Kaya you are invited here to simplify your life. Kaya tama yung gagawin ninyo, no? You don't have to carry all the burden. Alalahanin nyo yan, Aries. Help is always available to you. Kaya reach out to people, ask for help, nang sa gayon, gumaanggaan, no, ang inyong journey. We have begin now. Take your first step. May new beginning energy. Kayo, Aries, magsisimula kayo ng bagong buhay, bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo, and that still resonates with this Ten of Wands. At saka always pay attention sa inyong intuition. At since we have a high priestess, pinapakita lang niya na sa lahat ng mga pagbabagong ito na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, you are divinely guided. Okay? What else? We have Wondrous Universe. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Kung ano man ang gagawin ninyo ngayon, sisimulang bagong phase sa buhay ninyo, you are going to walk in the beauty of the universe. Magiging maayos ito, magiging tawag dito kalmado, magiging maluwag ang journey ninyo, magiging peaceful, yung ganon. So, this is really beautiful. Mararamdaman ninyo, mararanasan ninyo dito yung ganda ng buhay. Kasi magkakaroon na kayo ng oras, para sa sarili ninyo. Magkakaroon na kayo ng oras para makapag-socialize, makapag-unwind, yung ganon. We have stargazing. Sabi rito, when you gaze at the stars, you give yourself very focus. The intuition, your intuition, will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation. Ayan. So, definitely, Aries, your intuition is on point. No? Your intuition is on point. Iniimbitahan din kayo na mag-stargazing kayo, as much as possible, all by yourself, para ma-absorb ninyo yung spiritual guidance na ito na binibigay or ipapadala sa inyo ng universe. What else? We have protection. The fairies of protection are shielding you with a magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking upon any spiritual work. So this is a reminder for you na nag-spiritual work, no? So, protektahan muna ninyo, ilagay muna ninyo ang protection in place sa energy field ninyo before you start doing your work. We have hidden depth. Secrets are coming to light dito. Si priestess, ganun din. Meron ding energy ng revelation. Dito sabi, something hidden is about to come to light. Perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we become free. Ayan, you're going, by divulging kung ano man ito na tinatago ninyo or kung ano man ng sekreto na to, by sharing this with other people, that's going to liberate you sa ngayon. Kaya parang makakaluwag-luwag na ang inyong pakiramdam, magiging parang malaya na kayo, no? Kasi wala na kayong itinatago, wala nang sikreto, no? Kumbaga, ipapaalam niyo na kung ano man itong hidden bagay na ito, no? Na matagal na ninyong kinimkim, matagal na ninyong itinago within yourself, by releasing that, you're also releasing yourself, no? From lagi na lang siguro kayong tawag dito, yung parang umaatras, lagi na lang kayong yung parang nagigilty siguro kayo because may tinatago kayo. Pero from here on, magiging peaceful na, magiging magaan na ang inyong pakiramdam. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.